Welcome back, guys. We're TrustedShoppingGuide.com, and today we're in the kitchen. In this video, we'll be sharing with you our best food steamer. When you think of steamed vegetables, you might have some unpleasant memories of bland and mushy broccoli from your childhood. But it's time to put those memories aside because steamed vegetables can actually be delicious. And not only that, but it's also a healthier cooking method that retains all the flavor, texture, and nutrients of your food. That's why we've put together a list of the best food steamers available, so you can take your steamed veggie game to the next level. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. Be sure to visit our website at TrustedShoppingGuide.com for more of our research in the kitchen, or alternatively subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The fifth food steamer in our list is the Euro Cuisine food steamer, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 4-badge rating. Enjoy healthy, vitamin-packed foods right on your countertop with a Euro Cuisine food steamer. This versatile machine makes it simple to prepare nutrient-rich foods and is sure to soon become one of your favorite kitchen items. There are 2 removable stainless steel trays that provide ample space to cook all your favorite foods and vegetables, such as seafood, chicken, broccoli, and more. Simply add water, fill the trays, and adjust the control panel to your taste. You can even steam large or small meals on 1 or 2 trays, keeping the various tastes different on each tray. What's more, the food steamer has an automatic shutoff feature that activates when the process of cooking is ended or the water is depleted, which will prevent the food from overcooking. It also has a built-in warming feature that'll keep the meal warm once it has finished cooking. Just a heads up, this steamer takes a few uses to get it figured out the way you like it, but after that, you'll be good to go. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this to those looking for a food steamer that's compact and easy to store. The 4th food steamer in our list is the Nesco food steamer, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 4-badge rating. Take steaming off the stovetop and cook your favorite vegetables and other foods in the healthiest, easiest way with a Nesco food steamer. With its 5-quart capacity, you can steam different kinds of food like grains, vegetables, organic products, fish, meat, and poultry. There are also 2 vacuum pressure settings, normal and gentle, to prevent the breaking of more delicate foods like crackers and other snacks. Combining the pulse feature with the gentle setting allows for precise control over the vacuum process, preventing the crushing of items like buns and pastries. Beyond performance, we loved how user-friendly it was. The latch locks easily, and there's a timer that counts down until it manually seals. Plus, an accessory port allows you to attach a hose to the sealer to extract air from jars and vacuum canisters, and the built-in bag roll storage and bag cutter allow you to cut bags to the exact size you need. As a bonus, there are 2 different size bag rolls to get you started, and when you need more, the sealer will work with any brand of vacuum sealer bags. Some steamers allow you to add water without interrupting the cooking process, but not with a steamer. To refill the reservoir, you need to open it and then stack the trays. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this for anyone looking for a food steamer that's versatile and user-friendly. The 3rd food steamer in our list is the Elite Gourmet food steamer, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 4-badge rating. Let off some steam by cooking a variety of your favorite grains, vegetables, fruits, eggs, seafood, meat, and poultry with the Elite Gourmet food steamer. Beyond performance, this steamer has a powerful 800-watt heating system that quickly steams the food. It'll eliminate the need for many pots and pans, which reduces cooking times and preserves nutrients for better meals. The Elite Gourmet food steamer not only delivers delicious steamed vegetables, but it also has safety features like a 60-minute timer with an auto shutoff and boil-dry protection. This preserves the vegetables' flavor, color, and nutrients while keeping them close to their natural raw state. Plus, it comes with a 5.5 cup rice steaming basket, perfect for preparing fluffy rice to complement your meals. Keep in mind, though, that this food steamer is not recommended to clean with metal scouring pads. Pieces can break off the pad and touch electrical parts, creating a risk of electrical shock. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this to those looking for a food steamer that has a large capacity to steam foods. The 2nd food steamer in our list is the Bella food steamer, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 5-badge rating. The Bella food steamer is perfect for cooking for groups or families. Its health-focused cooking method allows for a healthier and cleaner dietary lifestyle. This multifunction steamer can cook all your favorite grains, meats, and veggies quickly and easily with a turn of a knob. No more waiting for your food to cook. Just prepare your meal, add water, set the timer, and place it in the basket. Plus, it's a great way to retain the flavor and nutrients of your food. Apart from that, this food steamer includes a 5-cup rice bowl to provide you with extra cooking space. Besides this, it also has a 2-basket cooking system that allows you to cook different food items at a time. The water reservoir isn't the biggest though, so you may have to refill it occasionally, especially if you cook your food for longer than the suggested time in the manual. The trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this for anyone looking for a food steamer that's affordable and easy to clean. The best food steamer in our list is the Cuisinart Digital Glass Steamer, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 5-batch rating. Enjoy the benefit of endless healthy recipes cooked to perfection and directly served at your table with a Cuisinart Digital Glass Steamer. This food steamer achieves full steam temperature in less than 30 seconds without requiring preheating. It delivers steam from the top down, which makes it different from other appliances and ensures even cooking and perfect results every time. So cooking whole fish, delicious curries, shellfish, or steamed desserts like sticky date pudding has never been so quicker and easier than before. Design-wise, this steamer stands out from other food steamers you've seen from the moment you unpack it. It has a glass steamer basket and a base made of stainless steel. The water reservoir is in the back, keeping the attention on the techie LCD screen in the front. We also like that the stainless steel details will match the rest of your kitchen appliances. Now, even though the steamer uses a good quality cord, it's still a bit short at only around 2 feet, so you definitely need to be near an outlet to use it. The trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this too, those looking for a fast and efficient food steamer. And there you have it, folks, our best food steamers, which got our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for a next food steamer roundup that you would like our team to test, do drop them in the comments section below, and we'll be sure to assess them for a next update. If you like this video and it helps you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our kitchens great. We look forward to seeing you at TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.